Hey, what's good? It's Marcus. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're not just cooking, we are connecting. We are traveling with our taste buds. We're going straight to the heart of Ethiopia. And we're going to make something beautiful together. We're making injera. This isn't just bread. It's a plate. It's a utensil. It's the foundation of every Ethiopian meal. Imagine a soft, spongy, slightly sour flatbread. It's made to soak up all the delicious sauces and stews. It's what brings everyone to the table. In Ethiopia, food is family, food is community. Let's do this, together. Alright, let's talk ingredients. To make great injera, you need the right stuff. The most important player here is teff flour, an ancient Ethiopian grain. Tiny, nutty, a little earthy, naturally gluten-free. You'll find ivory and darker teff. I like brown for classic depth, but either works. Grab it at health food stores, specialty markets, or online. Teff is the soul of injera. For beginners, blend mostly teff with a little all-purpose, or barley or sorghum, for structure. You'll get authentic flavor and a pliable bread. Use lukewarm filtered or spring water. Chlorine can mess with natural yeasts. Salt goes in later, right before cooking, so we don't slow fermentation. That's it. Teff, a little all-purpose, good water, and salt. Simple list, big results. You got this. Now let's get to mixing. We'll go step by step and take the mystery out of it. Grab a large, non-reactive bowl, glass or ceramic. Skip metal. 3 cups teff, 1 cup all-purpose. Whisk the dry mix to prevent clumps. Start with about 5 cups lukewarm water, adding gradually while mixing. Mixing by hand connects you to the food and may help fermentation. Aim for thin, lump-free, pourable, like crepe batter. Not too thick, not watery. Cover with a clean towel or cheesecloth. Let the batter breathe. Find a warm, not hot, corner away from sun or drafts. Now we let time work. This is the start of fermentation. Flour and water becoming something complex. Patience is your most important ingredient. Let it rest. We've created the perfect environment for magic to happen. This is fermentation, where sourness and sponginess are born. Wild yeasts and bacteria release carbon dioxide. That's your bubbles. 1 to 3 days depending on temperature. Warmer room, faster ferment. You'll see bubbles and smell gentle tang. A grayish liquid, air show, may form. Stir it back in for more tang. Give it 1 gentle stir a day to keep yeasts moving. Fully fermented, thin slightly with lukewarm water, then add about 1 teaspoon salt. Let it sit 15 to 20 while your skillet heats. The wait is almost over, it's cooking time. Pan is key. Large non-stick or well-seasoned cast iron. Medium heat till water sizzles, not smoking. Get your station tight, batter, ladle, lid. Ladle about a half cup, pour in a thin circle. Tilt and swirl fast to cover the pan. Don't stress the shape, first one's a test. Watch the magic, tiny bubbles pop up. These are the eyes of injera. The surface becomes a honeycomb, perfect for soaking stews. Let it cook uncovered 30 to 45 seconds till matte and set. Cover to trap steam. Injera cooks on one side. The steam finishes the top. Steam 1 to 2 minutes. Done when edges lift and top is dry, spongy. Whole cycles fast, about 3 minutes per injera. That's the look, that's the texture. Your injera is cooked, the edges curl, top is spongy. Don't flip. Gently lift and slide onto a towel-lined plate. The towel prevents sticking and sogginess. Let each one cool a minute on a rack, then stack warm, not hot. Non-stick needs no oil. For cast iron, wipe a whisper of oil between pours. Give the batter a quick, gentle stir each round. You'll find a rhythm. First one's practice, second's better, by the fourth you're flying. Build that soft, pliable stack. Little wins at every pour, celebrate them. You'll dial the heat and measure by feel. No fermentation? Kitchen too cold or water too chlorinated? Move to a warmer corner, or add a tiny pinch of yeast to kickstart. Sticking? Check heat. Too cool won't set, too hot scorches. Seasoned surface helps. Wipe a very thin oil layer between pours. No bubbles? Ferment longer. Don't knock the air out right before cooking. Thin to crepe consistency. Too thick? Add water. Gummy? Steam longer under the lid till surface is dry and springy. When in doubt, give it another 30 seconds. Off days happen. Adjust and keep pouring. You're building a skill. Every round gets stronger. Congratulations! You've got a beautiful stack. Now, serving. Place 1 or 2 injera as your base. Spoon stews, watts, right on top. Serve extra injera rolled or folded. Everyone eats from the same platter. Tear, scoop, share. Doro wat, misir wat, gomen. Let the flavors mingle on that honeycomb. Cool completely. Store sealed at room temp up to 3 days. Skip the fridge. Cold air turns it brittle. To re-soften, steam briefly or microwave wrapped in a damp towel. Don't overdo it. Teff is a super grain, protein, fiber, iron, calcium, naturally gluten-free. It's not a mystery, it's a craft. Practice makes perfect. Call your friends, invite your family, lay it out and eat together, break bread together. That's the spirit. Community, connection, love. You have the knowledge, you have the skill. Create your Ethiopian feasts, enjoy every bite. Until next time, stay hungry, stay curious. Peace. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.